A dripping fridge can be a frustrating issue, but it's often caused by one of two common problems: a frozen or faulty water supply, or a clogged drain pan. To address these issues, start by checking the water supply. Unplug the fridge and locate the shutoff valve underneath. Then close it to identify where the leaks are coming from. If the water supply line is torn or broken, replacing it should resolve the problem. However, if it's not damaged, the water supply may be frozen. In this case, leaving the fridge unplugged for at least 2 hours to defrost should fix the issue. If the fridge is still dripping after defrosting, the problem may lie with the clogged drain pan. Try flushing the drain with warm water to clear the blockage. If this doesn't work, unplug the fridge and manually remove the clog. The rubber check valve may be clogged, so create a cleaning solution of hot water and soap to clean it. Then reinstall it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your dripping fridge and prevent further issues.